Hello, this is Adele from the Sea Science Center, from home again with Fred, and today we're going to bring you the last segment of the Sea Science Center's book all about dinosaurs. We thought you'd never ask your quirky questions answered by dinosaurs. So our next question, a little girl asks, "My great-grandma is old. Did she live with you and the other dinosaurs?" The dinosaur answers, "Sniff, sniff. No, I never met her, or anyone else like her. Does she smell like cookies?" Scientists have definitive evidence that the last dinosaurs went extinct about 62 million years before the first humanoids appeared. Any toys, games, books, or movies that show humans and dinosaurs together are fantasies. Our vocabulary word here, humanoids, that's kind of the human ancestors. Humanoid, from our glossary here, is a creature having the characteristics of a human. Our next question, the little boy asks, "I see lots of different types of animals when I go to the zoo. Were there other types of animals when you lived?" The dinosaur answers, "Yum. Oh, yes, but not many that you would have recognized. There were no cute rabbits for stew." The Mesozoic era is often called the Age of Reptiles, but fossils of many other animals have been found from that era, including fossils of fish, mammals, and even insects. Even just considering reptiles, dinosaurs only represented about 10% of all the reptile groups during the Mesozoic era. Only some Mesozoic animals are related to animals that we still have today. Birds, some insects, turtles, and snakes, for example. The mammals may have reminded you of animals we see today, but most types of Mesozoic animals are extinct. One group that has survived is marsupials. Their ancestors lived during the Mesozoic. So our glossary words on this page are reptiles and marsupials. Those are two different animal groups that have certain characteristics. Reptiles have scales, you might think of a crocodile, something like that. Marsupials have pouches, you might think of a kangaroo. Our next question comes from a boy and a girl. "I have a pet dog, and I have a pet cat. Did you have a pet bird?" "What? No, birds are my cousins," said the dinosaurs. The first birds lived at the same time as the last land dinosaurs, but we don't know how they would have interacted with one another. It is difficult to learn about animal behavior from fossils. Animals are related to one another because they share characteristics. You and your dog and your cat are all mammals. Birds are related to dinosaurs because they have the same hip structure and skull features. So this little boy says, "I was wondering, did all the dinosaurs go extinct when the asteroid hit Mexico?" This is a fun illustration. The dinosaur answers, "Yikes, that was a dramatic event, but you cannot be killed if you're already dead." Many Mesozoic dinosaurs and other animals and plants were already extinct before the asteroid hit 65.5 million years ago. Extinction is normal and ongoing. Mass extinctions, which occur when many species go extinct around the same time, happen less often. But even during periods of mass extinction, it is not instantaneous, and many living things survive. Birds, which are a type of flying dinosaur, did not go extinct after the asteroid hit. So you might remember from our earlier readings that not all dinosaurs lived at the same time. So a dinosaur like this Fred here is a Stegosaurus. He would have been extinct millions of years before the asteroid hit and wiped out the last land dinosaurs. So at the end of our book here is a glossary. This book was designed as an exhibit originally for the whole family to explore together. So the book does introduce a lot of the vocabulary used throughout the book. So we encourage you to order a copy from the Sea Science Center website. It supports us, and Take care, everyone.